Here at the park, got to update my little tadpoles, my little pond here. Try to keep them alive, because of course the thing leaks and pump will work. See how many there is in here, but I don't want them all to dry out, so try to give them some more water. That way they don't all die on me. Pretty cool, a whole bunch of them in here. Pull the truck out, we get the grapple, and we're gonna, after we get the truck out, the trailer out, we're gonna hook the grapple to the tractor, and then we're gonna be able to use the grapple to pull the shed down. There we go. So we got everybody put away. The tractor's ready. I got the camera cool off. Here we are at the shop, taking the wiring off the wall. We can turn the building down. Take all these locks off of here. I already checked these, are all off. That was hard. That was not an easy task. There was no easy walk in the park right there. Whew. Nobody took the bench down. Nobody got the boxes out of the way. Like, what the fuck? Ridiculous. Best wiring job ever by a master electrician, I heard. That guy's an idiot. Don't know how to do anything. I'll whip the wall down with the tractor and we'll pull it off the wall. What really wants the vise anyways? I mean, the bench would be kind of cool if we had it, because I could screw it to the Connex box. Otherwise I gotta build a new one. That takes 5 hours to build anything. We would just watch that all happen.
Of course it would. You know what the hell garbage.
All right, well, we just put in the dump trailer. Take the.
We'll just set it outside for now. We'll take it apart later.
Thought it'd be interesting. Kind of get. How the hell they built this thing? What was holding it together?
Hopes and dreams.
They put nails upside down and pounded the top onto the nails. Like, what the hell?
You just throw this whole dump trailer?
Yeah, I was just throwing it all away. She's about ready to come down.
the crazy tractor activities to pull this down. Had a little mishap, just hit the water just barely, so have to fix that up here soon. But other than that, took it right down, no problem. Now just scoop it up and load it in the dump trailer. It'll pull it out. The strongest part of the whole place.
Parts, whatever you can cut with it. Too much. Can't forget Fred's little guy. You gotta see him. Hey, where's Fred, by the way? I don't see him. No one's here.
down. Got
Yeah, let's go.
oh, we let the wire over. Whew, how we doing?
I'm just excited to see them work. I really am.
Yeah, good.
See off here.
No, oh, you're destroying this whole building.
Is the young kid still working here?
No, he isn't here. Hayden didn't show up. He's like, I'm going to play in Havasu and not do anything. So that's what he's been doing. Whole lot of nothing. And Fred didn't show up either. Nobody wants to work. It's too hot out. So.
I don't know.
Right? Yeah, I think so. I think it's exciting.
I mean,
I get a kick out of it, so.
Window and you're just taking it down. I'm like, what the heck?
Yeah, right? Destroying everything.
Well,
You gotta destroy it to make it better, right?
Push the front end over, I'll move it by hand. Let go of it. Well, I'll push it over.
Grab that circular saw and cut these boards up so they lay. Or hop in there and move them. Before I get it full of shit and I can't get to it, you know what I mean? Water line with the tractor right here. We flooded this whole thing out. Had to shut the water off. This right here broke. See that? Now we gotta fix that. I pushed the building onto it, so we're gonna get this all picked up now. Shovel, we'll just shovel the dump in there.
Sure. Watch out for the wires.
What?
Watch out for the wires. You rake it here, so then all you do is throw it right from there and pick it up. Where'd you put it?
Jumpstart the tractor. Get in here, look at this. So I'm gonna fix this thing. I drilled this out, return the water, and it's gonna blow the pieces of plastic out, hopefully. Shut this one off. It's gonna blow the plastic out that I'm drilling in there. I'm gonna spread this out, go buy another one of these, slide it back inside that bushing, and screw it back together again. Doesn't make it though in the sun. I might have to get the shade. It's too hot. Back over here, trying to figure out how we're gonna fix this. It's 120 degrees out today with 18% humidity, so I'll grab the shade, put the shade cloth or the Easy Up that they destroyed. They didn't tie it down. Hopefully we can find the sunshade for that. I think it's in this Connex box. Make sure this is here first. Of course you didn't put it in here. That'd be way too easy. Yeah, I don't know where the cover is, so I can't use that either. Yeah, this is a thread. This is a coupler, a quick coupler that screws on like this. This broke off out of here, but they have a bushing on this. This is 1/2 inch.
Yeah, so this has to come off there though. This piece right.
So I have to drill this out to fit the 3/4 inch teeth. This is a 3/4.
Yeah, but we need to take this off too, right?
I'll just get another one of those probably. I'll have to buy one of these valves. You know what I mean?
Yeah, well, you can't cut that teeth. If you cut it, you have to take the whole.
No, I'm saying
out.
cut the inside. See how there's a bushing?
Yeah.
I'll keep the bushing out of there, then I can slide a 3/4 inch like this. This is a 1/2 inch. See, that'll fit in there. It's the exact size of this one. But see, then that won't fit on to this. See what I'm saying? This is a 1/2 inch.
Right.
Well, I have to go to the store. I have to find, I guess. How can I cut this out of there? How do I get going? I have no tools. That's a problem. I have to go find propane torch, maybe? They make a tool for this. I gotta buy one. You know what I mean? Hole saw set might work. Oh, would my hole saw set work? Let's try my hole saw set. I got that in here. I know what that is. All right. So what we did is we got this figured out. Forgot to turn the camera on. So I got no hands. We got this hole sawed out. We just bought a hole saw set. Fred lost some other ones, so we took the hole saw that old 3/4 inch bushing out of there. Then took a screwdriver, pried it loose. I can't find my propane torch or any other tools because the whole shop that was here is now destroyed, and they're all in a big pile. So we got this fitting to fit it on here. This is 3/4. That'll fit on there. I'll have to go get a bushing at the store and adapt it from this size, and then buy another one of these to adapt this down so I can make this work. I'll be back when we get that. All right, so we're back from the store. We got our fittings. See if we can make this work. A whole bunch of crap. See if we can glue this back together now. Found the glue, so that's good. You want to go over there to the den of spiders, which is literally full of spiders, and turn that valve on there.
What one?
Right there next to this camper, there's a little green box and lids off it. Just walk over there, throw your glove on. There's literally was spiders in there when I went there this morning and opened it up. You gotta unscrew. Then we'll put a piece of PVC into this.
It'll be too tall, won't it?
We'll cut it down.
I'm saying to be.
No, we're gonna cut this off here and put a 90 on this. You have to cut this off, then take this out and put this in place of it. See what I'm saying?
Okay.
Because I don't sell one of these, of course, so I can't put that together. I told you. Give me that one. Take it out. Open the lid up. Give me the juice. Yeah, you get a little dirty doing stuff. It's kind of crazy. RV park and pumping. I'm in Quartzsite. I'm in Quartzsite, Arizona. Nowhere's near you. Like 6 hours away from you. Sorry. This is gonna be. Can't answer the phone and do this at the same time. I had to cut this down somehow. Cut that off. PVC. It's CPVC or something in this.
You have a million of them over there on the. Over there to make them grab.
Hold down there so it dries. It has to be. Where's the valve? This has to.
Yeah, it's gotta be that. You gotta cut that and first, then put the 90 on that, and then make this. Why wouldn't we? Make that a little longer? Bend it. Make it
Well,
bendable.
try to do.
This one bends a little bit right here, so you'll be all right.
Let's more of this off. So it's lower. See what I'm saying? That'll work. This goes like that.
Well, you're putting this in the middle too.
Yeah, it's a valve.
It won't bend as easy with the valve in there. Perfect. Grab your thing.
Just bought that thing too. Melts in. Give me some more. Ooh, we gotta get this piece in here first. How are we gonna do that? This way?
Yeah, like that.
Think so?
Or just put another 90 on it.
Could have got a 45 would have been better, you know what I mean?
If you had a 45.
I probably have it over there.
Probably.
No. There's no way that's gonna fit up there. I have to extend that out.
Or unless we cut this one off right here.
I got it. Super
Came
strength.
Good.
Superhuman strength. Put it straight on. Clean this up.
Yeah, put this on the coupler, right?
Fine.
Can't you just cut this down and cut that off and then slide this piece in?
Oh, there's no way it's gonna be the right
Okay,
length,
sorry.
right? How high are we gonna go though?
Slide it in there first. Here, glue it.
Well, I can't. How am I gonna cut the circle?
Cut it right off the top like this.
Can't right. Like sideways? What are you talking about?
Well, I got glue in it, so
Well, like that big?
any bit's gonna help you out. And it bends, remember. So, yeah, but
So done like shit. How you fix it?
I would have taken 5 more minutes and done it.
This is how you do it. I'm telling you how it's done.
Yeah, but not so messy. Look at it. It looks
That's how
like
it's
shit.
just glue.
It looks like shit. Here.
Put that on. It should be good. Primer. Primer. Glue.
Jesus, bro, you're moving like a million miles an hour.
Well, yeah, you gotta work fast.
You don't have
It's
to
hot
work
outside.
fast.
Put glue on that. Should put primer. I put primer. All right, where's a piece of pipe?
Right here. There you got one. There you go. It's we'll
Put the primer in the hole.
do it. Usually
Motivation.
it doesn't.
Well, yeah. For average people. Oh, there, it looks great. Draw that. And hold it together too is really dry. That's the other thing.
Yeah, I know.
Looks like I did before. Fixed.
Beautiful.
This is all fixed. We got a bushing. We got a 1/2 inch 90. We had to take this other valve out because this one, of course, couldn't find it at the store here in town. Fred borrowed my fittings. I was missing them, so I had to buy them over again. So I bought 2 90s, exactly what he used. And then I replumbed this with a straight and extended up so it'd be nice and level. So now we can shut the valve off like it was before. So we're gonna hopefully move this anyways. I'd like to move this over once we get this concrete busted up. I need the water back on for everybody in the park. So a tool that goes in the pipe to cut out like the bushing like we just dealt with. And I'm gonna see if I can find it. They put it in there. I've seen plumbers have it on Facebook and stuff. It goes in your drill and it just drills those out. It's the exact size to like cut this out of there, which I've done it before. Propane torches. I used a hole saw. It worked pretty good. All right, so here's the finished product. We got a whole building in the one dump trailer. It's a 16-foot Lamar low pro dump trailer, 2-foot sides on it. Works like a champ. Got that entire building, all the crap that was in it. This is the pad that we're left with all the uneven concrete. This is all gonna come up too. I'm gonna use a tractor and bust this up. I got the jackhammer attachment that I'm gonna try out on it, see how that works. But I'm pretty sure the pad, the backhoe will probably lift up most of this and just break it. I can just haul it off. So I might start doing that here, get that all busted up. It cools off a little bit. It's ridiculously hot right now. So we got the water fixed. This is all back together now. And gonna move the truck, strap down the stuff so it's not in the way. I gotta move the dumpster back. There's Eric. Thanks for helping, Eric. Did it when it was 118 degrees outside with 20% humidity or something crazy right now. So it wasn't a whole lot of fun, but getting the pad up should be relatively easy. It looks like it's a bunch of sections, so I think they'll come up pretty good. And I could try out my new hammer, so that'll be nice. I'll catch up with you guys later. Getting the concrete pad busted up, trying to beat the heat. It's been 118, 120 degrees out.